We're targeting triceps in this quick bar workout that will slim down and sculpt your triceps in 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Let's start.
Today we are targeting our triceps. All you'll need is a resistance band. Let's get started. Take the resistance band, the right hand overhead, the left hand at the small of the back, and the palm of that right hand is facing into the head, and the small of the back is facing outwards. Let's get started here. Begin to pulse up and down, and that head should stay up on top of the spine nice and long. We want to avoid rounding forward or jutting the head forward. Keep that nice tall posture. And I'm pulling this band to the ceiling and to the floor. I want to avoid going on a diagonal. Continue pulsing here. If you want more challenge, you can walk those hands closer in to get a little more resistance. 3, 2, 1. Hold here. Now pulse just that top arm up towards the ceiling. Small pulses, focusing here on keeping those abdominals engaged in that nice, tall, pretty posture. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower arm, taking it to the floor. Little pulses. You're doing great. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release and switch sides. Now taking that left arm overhead and that right hand to the small of the back. Top arm facing into the head, bottom arm facing outward, and begin those pulses again. Check in with your posture, pulsing straight up and down. 4, 3, 2, 1. That top arm only, pulse to the ceiling. Those triceps should be burning a little bit now. Feel nice and warm. 4, 3, 2, lower arm here toward the floor. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release that band, set it to the side. Come now to your double stag position. Take the right hand to the side of the right leg, which should be bent in front, and that hand is slightly in front of the shoulder. You can take the opposite hand to the thigh or place it in front of you. Bending that elbow down towards the floor, press to the heel of the hand to come up. Take it over and back up. Over for 3. Finding that squeeze in the tricep in the back of the arm here as you come up. Lower, press 5, lower, press 6, lower, press 7, lower, press 8. Switch the legs, and let's take it to the other side. Pressing through the heel of the hand, elbow bending towards the floor, and squeeze it up. Up for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and bring it up for 8. Good, now turn around, seated on the floor, take the heels in line with the sits bones, and the hands will come back just behind the hips with those fingertips facing towards the hips. If this feels better for you, you can take those hands to the side. I want to think about hugging those elbows in towards the rib cage, pressing through the fingertips, gently pressing through my heels. I'm going to keep my chest nice and proud, nice and lifted here. And exhale, lift my hips, squeeze those triceps. Inhale, tap to the floor. Exhale, lift, and inhale down. Good, exhale, lift, inhale down. Exhale, lift, inhale down. Keep breathing through it. Exhale, lift, inhale down. Exhale, lift, keep squeezing those arms in. 2 more here, lift, inhale, exhale, lift, Inhale, lower. Nice job. Roll it over. We're gonna finish out with some tricep push-ups. Keep yourself in a 4-point stance, bending the elbows in towards you. Keep that neutral spine. Take these to little pulses. Avoid rounding that upper back. Drawing the elbows in towards you, down towards the floor. Head stays in line with that spine. We're almost finished. Finish strong. 3, 2, 1. Press it back. Take a big stretch here and slowly roll it up. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas or combine them all for a full body workout.